off the pad and it should be everybody in the world. Now then, crew, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. Now, you know that I like to broadcast good news that we have here on the channel. And recently, a few months ago, we picked up, I won't say a sponsor, some assistance is the way I'm going to put it, because YouTube look at sponsorship very differently. So we picked up some assistance from the Forge products. They do the brake cleaner and a whole range of automotive sprays and lubricants and thread locks and bits and pieces. Very, very good. The brake cleaner is unreal. It's like a fire hose. It's so pressurized as they can. Anyway, the other day I got contacted by a company in Australia, and tool girl Holly has no idea what I'm going to say now. It was a company called Knobby.
Oh yes, I have heard of them.
Ha-ha! Yep. Click! And Knobby said to me, Andy, we want to offer you some support. And I was like, what do you do? Oh, we do underwear. I'm like, support, got it, great job. So this turned up in the post, and I haven't opened it, it's completely sealed. So it's probably hygienic. So Holly, you can open that if you like, and we'll find out what it is they've sent us. Probably best not to use a knife though, because we might, cut something that doesn't want to be cut. See how you get on. Go on, give it a good, show the people, give it a good rip open. Don't break your nails there, because I'll be in so much trouble. Jeez. Now, I have heard on the grapevine they're also going to send me some other stuff. Well, not for me, but for the tool girls.
Oh, cool.
My word. It comes in a pouch in a pouch. That's pretty cool. Look at that. It comes in a little bag and everything. It's fantastic.
I got some stickers by the looks of it.
Oh, serious? They sent me some stickers as well for the toolbox. That is brilliant. Cheers, lads. Appreciate that. What have we got? God, it looks like a real package, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I was expecting a pair of briefs rolled up and sent out in the post, but this is...
Oh, we've got a bottle opener. Knobby bottle opener.
Knobby bottle opener. That'll go on the hook. There we are. Look with all the rest of them. Might make use of that in a minute.
And what have we got here?
Bloody genius. Yes, you mate. Welcome to the club. So I'm a club member. Oh, and that's where the bottle up that would be on there, look, you see, on the bit of cardboard. So that's just dropped off in the post. So that's that bit.
More stickers.
Holy moly. More Knobby stickers. Well done, lads. Make good use of those. Oh, sealed. Holy shit. The tension is just unbelievable.
Ooh.
They're a fair colour.
The back of them.
Oh my word, look at those. That is fantastic.
Front.
Great job. Well, I'll have to oh, go on, you can hold, let's get rid of the little label, because that's spoiling the whole effect, is that. Hang on, there we are, look. Show the people, yes. And we'll do a thumbnail. Yeah, look, you stand over this side. Now there's going to be a little thing, hang on, there's going to be an icon up there. So actually you'll be on this side, sorry, I'm useless, honestly. There we go, look, hold it over this side. Okay. Good job, Knobby. Excellent stuff. Right, come over here a little bit as well. I want to edit this. There you go, look, because there's going to be a little icon there. That'll work brilliantly. Excellent stuff. Cool. Now, Tool Girl Lily doesn't always watch all my videos, which is fine, because to be fair, I only provide them very, very limited power to the little room under the house where all the tool girls live, isn't that right?
Yep.
And internet is strictly forbidden other than on Sundays for 1 hour. So, obviously they try and limit the watching the videos. But Knobby are going to send me across not just top and bottom sets for the tool girls, but also a very special device. It's a surprise. There's a special device in the packaging which I'll open to camera and we'll test it out. So watch out for the next video on Knobby. Okay, crew, well that's it. Really short video, a bit of fun, and I will see you around next time. It's goodbye from me.
Goodbye from Tool Girl Holly.
Sure is. Cheers, crew. Over and out. And we get the flick up again.
Oh!
Really.